Hello and welcome to Guilford Public Library STEAM Challenge. Today's challenge is to create a pendulum painting. A pendulum is a weight that's hung from a fixed point so that it can swing freely. A great example of a pendulum that you can share with your children is something that they see very often, which is a playground swing. For this challenge, you're going to need two stable surfaces. I happen to use two chairs here. One, two, and then you need a stick. I did not have a plain stick in the house, so I used my broom. I took the bottom off, and voila, I have a stick. You will then need some string, a metal washer, a large paper clip, a cup, a sharp pencil, a pair of scissors, paint, preferably washable paint because this is a messy activity, and a little bit of water. You're going to mix that paint, equal parts paint to equal parts water, and a little bit goes a long way. You put it in a cup, and we will set that aside because you will be putting it in your pendulum a little bit later. The first thing that you're going to do is lay your stick across to your stable surface. Then you're going to tie your string on your pole here, and I would say right about the middle, and at the end of the string you're going to tie your metal washer. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper clip and you're going to turn it into a W, and that is where you're going to put it right like this, and this is going to be hanging on that string like so, right here. And this is where the pencil comes in. You're going to take your cup, and the first thing you're going to do is poke a hole in the bottom of your cup. Then poke a hole on one side of the cup, and then on the other side of the cup. And what we're going to do here, you're going to be amazed. I'm going to take off my washer here because it's not suspended, but what I wanted you to see is that you connect your paper clip and make your cup into like a little bucket, and that's going to hold your cup together. Okay, are we ready? What we're going to do now is we're going to plug the bottom of this hole with your finger. You're going to pour the paint in, and ready? We're going to remove our finger and set this baby into motion, and what you're going to do is to set it in a circular motion. Oh, wow. Now observe what pattern your pendulum has made. This is a great opportunity to ask your children some questions. What happens if you don't stop the pendulum? Why are the paint lines and loops getting smaller and smaller? If you're using this activity as a lesson, this is a good place to discuss inertia and gravity. Pendulums use weight to move. Do you remember what weight and mass are? What we're using here? If you said the washer and the paint, then you are right. Good job. You can make a bunch of different pendulum paintings and experiment a few different ways. Try moving your string higher or lower. Try spinning it in like larger arcs. When the paint dries, what can you tell us about the different patterns? Well, let's see. I'm going to try some of those suggestions out myself. Okay, here it goes. Uh-oh. Can someone tell me what went wrong here? That's right. Great guess. I only added paint, and I need to make it watery. This is why you need to use some water. All right, I added Get some water. Let's make it go. Ha! This is a wonderful activity with children because you can discuss why things do not work and why they work. This is a great opportunity to have that discussion. Let's try again. What do you think the problem was now? If you guessed that I plugged the hole with my finger and made the little cut close up again, I think you guessed right. Let's try it again. Oh boy. There we go. We finally got it to work. And look at it go. Now if you notice, my rings are going around differently this time. This is a great opportunity to discuss the different patterns. Now I see this slowing down, and so I'm going to grab it and go at it again. This is all great stuff. All right. I would love to see your pendulum paintings. Thank you so much for joining us, our STEAM challenge. Have a wonderful day and see you again soon.